Hey guys, are you tired of your private conversations being harvested for data? Are you concerned about your messages being read by tech giants? Well, you're not alone. With over 3 billion people using messaging apps daily, privacy has become more of a luxury rather than a right. But what if I told you there's a messaging app that puts your privacy first without sacrificing the features you love? Welcome back to Ataria News Channel. Today we are diving deep into Signal, the messaging app that's being called the best alternative to WhatsApp and Facebook Messenger. And by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why privacy experts, journalists, and millions of users worldwide are making the switch. Before we go any further, let's start with the elephant in the room. WhatsApp and Facebook Messenger, owned by Meta, have a business model built on data collection. While WhatsApp claims to offer end to end encryption, Meta still collects metadata. That's who you talk to, when you talk to them, and how often. This information creates a detailed profile of your social connections and communication patterns. Facebook Messenger is even worse. Unless you manually enable secret conversations, your messages aren't even encrypted. That means Facebook can read your messages, analyze them, and use that data for targeted advertising. And it's not just Meta. Most popular messaging apps collect vast amounts of user data. They track your location, your contacts, your usage patterns, and even analyze your message content. This data is then sold to advertisers or, in some cases, handed over to governments. The question is, do you really want your private conversations to be a product that is being sold? Enter Signal, the messaging app that's changing the game. Signal is an open source, non profit messaging platform that was designed from the ground up with one primary goal: protecting your privacy. Unlike WhatsApp and Facebook Messenger, Signal doesn't have a business model based on data collection. They are funded by donations and grants, which means they have zero incentive to spy on you or sell your data. In fact, they've designed their system so that even Signal themselves can't read your messages. So, what makes Signal the ultimate messaging app? Let me break down the key features. True end to end encryption. Signal uses the Signal protocol, which is considered the gold standard for securing messaging. This protocol is so trusted that WhatsApp actually uses it too, but Signal implements it properly across all features. And then there's zero data collection. Signal collects virtually no user data. They don't store your messages, they don't track your location, and they don't analyze your communication patterns. The only information they store is your phone number and when you last connected to their servers. There's also this feature called disappearing messages. You can set messages to automatically delete after a specified time period. This feature works for both individual and group chats, ensuring your conversations don't leave permanent digital footprints. And then we have screen security. Signal prevents screenshots in the app and blurs the app preview when you switch between applications, protecting your privacy even from people with physical access to your device. Signal offers everything you'd expect from a modern messaging app: voice and video calls, group chats, file sharing, and even stories. The difference is that all of these features are completely private and secure. And we have this cross platform thing. Signal works seamlessly across all your devices: Android, iOS, Windows, Mac, and Linux. Your messages sync securely across all platforms. But don't just take my word for it. Signal is trusted by some of the most security conscious people in the world. Journalists use Signal to communicate with sources. Activists rely on it in countries with oppressive governments. Even tech leaders like Elon Musk and Edward Snowden have publicly endorsed Signal. The app has been audited by independent security researchers multiple times. And because it's open source, anyone can verify that it does exactly what it claims to do. This transparency is something you'll never get from closed source apps like WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger. Making the switch to Signal is surprisingly easy. The app is free to download and use, and the setup process is identical to WhatsApp. You just verify your phone number and you're ready to go. You can easily import your contacts and start messaging immediately. The user interface is clean, intuitive, and familiar. So there's virtually no learning curve. And the best part is that you don't need to convince everyone to switch at once. Signal works perfectly for communicating with other Signal users, and you can gradually encourage your friends and family to join as they become more privacy conscious. In a world where our digital privacy is constantly under attack, Signal represents something rare: a messaging app that actually respects your privacy. It's not just an alternative to WhatsApp and Facebook Messenger, it's basically an upgrade. Your conversations are private, your data stays yours, and you get all the features you need without any of the surveillance. So here's my challenge to you: download Signal today, try it for a week, experience what truly private messaging feels like. I guarantee you'll never want to go back to apps that treat your privacy as an afterthought. The link to download Signal is in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Share, subscribe, hit that bell icon, and remember, your privacy matters.